Everyone pollutes to a certain extent, but some pollute more than is necessary. These people do not only pollute the world in which we live, they also pollute themselves. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the Transatlantic Gamer, and this is the sound of murder. So far it sounds like footsteps, oddly enough. Can I jump? I can't jump. Hello there, sir. Looting, huh? Smoking. Think I understand. Oh, that made me jump. It was rather sudden. There's no attack button, I just sort of run into people. A few will attempt at resolve, but death is the only true solution. So we go. Walk through the lights. Hello, ma'am. Nice evening, isn't it? Yes. Yes. You're gonna see me kill him, aren't you? Because he's in the light. We will wait. You'll leave, right? Ah, you know you want to leave. Yes, that's right. Run off. Thank you. Hyah. Such is the sound of murder. No longer will they destroy both their own lives and the lives of others. Hello, sir. A stab. A stab. How do we move on? This was a short little indie game created for Game Jam something or other. Hey guys, how are you doing? Moving right along. Turn off the light. I stab the guy. Now I'm on my way. Go, go, go. Let's hide up here. So this was a fairly short game. Kinda heavy. Made in 48 hours, I believe. But pretty good, I think. Somewhat good. It's the sound of murder. Go on then. Ah, there he is. Luke Skywalker. Press the button. Satisfying button noises, yes indeed. And we go. Their only right is the right to die. Kinda dark, but moving on. Ah. Hyah. Ah, look at that bright moonlight tonight. Yes, it's quite a good night for the sound of murder. Oh, oh, he shot me. He shot me twice, 3 times, 4 times. Oh, and I've stabbed him. Excellent, we've killed him. Game by Orange Ob, or Orangeo8. Music by Nick Sudan. Good job, Nick. Male voice by Brett Hudson. I'm not Brett Hudson, so I assume there must be someone who spoke at some point during the game. Well, I've been the Transatlantic Gamer. This has been the very short Sound of Murder. And you've all been fantastic viewers. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and good night.